Welcome to Figma Bites, the video series that aims to teach you to speed up your Figma workflow. Today we're visiting a buffet that serves power moves from our Pizza Toppings Big Bite. First, let's try out creating multiple components at once. Select these three icon components, go up to the top bar, press the component icon, and select Create Multiple Components from the menu. To bulk rename these components, or a group of selections, make sure you have them selected and press the shortcut Command-R to open the Rename dialog. From here we can prepend some text and add modifiers that pull in the current name or add numbering. We can also see a preview of the results on the left. One thing that can be annoying is double-clicking down into layers to select something deeply nested. Command-click on an object and it will directly select it, saving a lot of clicks. Another neat selection treat is the ability to select all children within a frame at the same time. Select a parent frame and press Enter, and we'll see all the children within the frame have been selected. Now we can quickly show off the last power move. With these children selected, move over to the Selection Colors area of the Design panel. Here, we can quickly change the color of all elements using a particular color or style. I hope you enjoyed our Power Moves buffet and learned something along the way. Thanks for watching.